blooming morning. Just a couple of things before we start this incredible day in the life of. I sound a bit nasally. I had like the world's shortest cold. It literally lasted, like I had like one bad day and now it's like all the sniffling has gone, but I've still got a bit of a nasally voice, so I hope that's okay. I'm also a little bit tired. I have worked all weekend, literally all weekend, from morning to night. I had an amazing workshop yesterday at Clever Hands, and that was great. But yeah, like the day before I went out for some gallivanting, but then I came home and I worked till like 9 o'clock trying to edit that Christmas guide video. So there was that, and then when I came back from the workshop I had to put all my machines away, put all the stuff away. So yeah, I'm a smidgy bit tired. The one thing that's given me so much energy is I'm so excited for today. The Beetle kit launch on Friday went so well, honestly. Like it wasn't even just the fact that people bought kits, like people started buying like other bits from the website, like stuff that I hadn't really like shifted in ages, and it was so fun to see orders coming in. And to be honest, I'm a little bit nervous because I don't think I've ever, in my 4-5 years of having AFRAYED Upcycling, I've never had this amount of orders to pack before, and like ones that are so like customizable. So obviously when I've done tea towel garments and orders like that, it's like just one item, but with these, honestly, they are all so different. So people have chosen different fabric bundles, done add-ons. I'm not stressed. If anything, I'm like the opposite. I'm just so excited and so geared up to go. And also just a mega thank you. I felt a little teary on Friday because just from maybe stress, just like the amount of time and effort that has gone into not just the kits, but also I spent the whole day sort of tweaking the website, trying to make it as fun and sort of inviting as possible. And to see orders coming in, to see so many positive messages, and obviously some people can't afford kits, and that's fine, but the fact that people were like messaging me, emailing me with support is just, I'm not going to get teary. So with that, it's just gone past 9. We have a lot to do today, so come join. I think before we even try and function for today, let's go grab a cup of tea. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do this. I'm not too sure how people who have like mass amount of orders on Shopify, how they manage to get the options selected. Because if I print the packing slips, it just tells me what the order is, but like not the customizations part. I mean, I can print off the order page, but it means going into each individual thing and printing it. So I'm thinking I'll probably need to look into this. I'm thinking as a minor solution, I might try and bulk print all the packing slips and do like 2 on one page rather than like one whole A4, because what a waste of paper. And then and then I can like individually go into each one and write down the customizations. Maybe learn like a bit of shorthand, or am I overcomplicating it already? So yeah, I'm going to print off the packing slips. And it says 19 orders, but I already know that there's like not just one item in there. There's like add-ons and like other bits. It's fine. Okay, well, I don't think I've got a very like perfect system, but this will work for now. I have 9 dual mix bundles to do, which is funny because in that last vlog that I did, and I was saying about I don't know whether to do dual tone mix, blah 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 blah, maybe we'll do it as a limited run, and literally it is the most popular colour bundle out of all of them. Dark mix comes second, and then we've got autumn and ocean are on the same, one for bright, one for pastel, and none for Christmas. Maybe because we're not in the Christmas mood yet. Lots of wings to make up, and yeah, so I think I might start with the colour bundles first before then grabbing all the other bits. This is so exciting. Templates. A whiteboard would be quite beneficial for this, just because I have to keep going back to the packing slips, and I feel like if I had like a grid system that tells me what the thing is, the colour bundle, if it has lace wings, yeah, because I need to go through this again to see how many bits of wire I need, how much felt I need, how much cotton twine I need, so yeah, there's a little bit to figure out here, but it's fine. It's fine. It's a nice problem to have. I will say that. Okay, I don't have a very good system here at all. It's feeling very frantic. I thought I could like maybe do the parcels like one by one, but already that's proving frustrating because I still need to get all the bits together. So we're going to take a second, have some water, and then first count how many bits of twine I need, how many bits of wire I need, things like that, so then I can do them all like a big bulk package after. But it's too difficult trying to focus on one parcel and try and get the bits for it. It feels like it's not very good time savory, so we need to sort this. Okay, 7 times 7 wait 7 217. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, well, I've had to get myself a cup of tea because I'm about to cut at least 120 bits of this wire. So I've got my cup of tea. I'll whack on a podcast or something and try and cut 120. Maybe I'll do 50 first, pack the orders, and then do the other 50 after. I'm just going to sit back and relax then, I guess. Hello. It's a couple days later. Basically, I was getting really frustrated with myself because I hadn't figured out a system to pack orders. Because there's so many different customizations, like you can add a couple of bundles, you can add lace wings, you can do gift wrapping. And I think because I was trying to like tackle the orders one by one rather than as a collective, or maybe even the opposite, it was causing me to get very stressed. And I thought by the end of that day, I was just like doubting myself, like putting bundles together, and I was like, oh, is that what the packing slip said? Yeah, like really sort of sillily stressing myself out. But then the next day, so after all that, I hadn't packed any orders, like there was still so many like bits. And the next day, so yesterday, in the morning, because I had like done all of the sewing needles and threads things, done all of the wire cutting, done all of the lace wings and stuff, it was really easy and quick to put the bundles together and sort of have a system. So I'm glad that I've gone through that, because the system will work. I just needed to like trial it, and maybe it wasn't a great idea to try and trial a system when I had like 20 orders with all different customizations, but it's okay. I'm feeling good. And it was really fun yesterday morning when I was having all the boxes ready and putting the tissue paper down and getting my stickers. Like, that was so fun. And I did think about filming, but A, my hair was a mess because I just bleached it, and 2, it was really dark and the light was making my hair look grim, and yeah, all very superficial stuff. To be honest, I don't think I even filmed all of the packed orders. I've got a nice picture. I say nice, but because I want to add all the little leaflety things on the front, I've put them in these recyclable bags. And I went and dropped off 19 parcels this morning. So thank you. I'll be honest, I was planning of not posting this vlog just because I thought it was a bit silly, like showing like only a small part of the packing and then just cut to today, and I didn't even show you the final parts. But it's okay. As you know, I like to be very honest, and I feel like I have been. It's been a bit of a stressful test, but now I feel like I've got a real system in place, and I need to start ordering some more bits already. But anyway, sorry and thank you for watching this. Also a mega thank you for supporting me, whether it's buying a kit or promoting it, sharing it. All the support means so much, so thank you, thank you, thank you. And it really has ignited something in me, and I've got some really exciting plans for 2026. If you would like to support me, then you can by subscribing, liking and commenting. But anyway, I will see you next time, hopefully with a bit more of a thorough vlog.